There are millions of buildings on Earth, but only 7 were chosen by 100 million people to represent the pinnacle of human achievement. But here's the terrifying part. Most of these shouldn't even be standing. Today we're going beyond the postcards to find out how ancient civilizations pulled off the impossible. Number 1. The Great Wall of China, often called the world's longest cemetery. It's not one wall. It's a 13,000-mile dragon of stone. But the Great Wall of China has a dark secret. It took 2,000 years to build, and it's often called the longest cemetery on Earth because an estimated 1 million people died constructing it. And that myth about seeing it from the moon? Total lie. But seeing it from a drone? That's where you realize it's a masterpiece of architectural madness. The secret to why it's still standing? Sticky rice. Seriously. Ancient builders mixed a sticky rice soup into the mortar, creating a chemical bond so strong that weeds can't even grow between the bricks 600 years later. Number 2. Machu Picchu. In the Peruvian Andes, there's a city built at 8,000 feet with rocks so perfectly carved you can't fit a credit card between them. The twist? The Inca had no wheels, no iron, and no pack animal stronger than a llama. When an earthquake hits Peru, the stones in Machu Picchu actually dance. They shake in place and fall back into perfect alignment. It's literal earthquake-proof gold. Number 3. Petra, often called the city carved in sand. You've seen it in Indiana Jones, but Petra isn't a building, it's an excavation. The Nabateans carved this entire city into the mountain, starting from the top and working down. But how did 30,000 people survive in a bone-dry desert? They engineered a hidden water filtration system so advanced it would make a modern city jealous. Petra was once a trading powerhouse, and the echoes of its past still pulse through every narrow gorge. Number 4. The Colosseum, often called the original death match. The Colosseum could be flooded to host actual naval battles with full-sized ships. It featured 80 entrances, massive elevators operated by slaves to teleport lions into the arena, and a retractable roof. It's the blueprint for every NFL stadium on the planet, built 2,000 years before electricity. It held 50,000 spectators, and at times filled with water to recreate naval battles. It was built on a drained lake bed. They used a massive concrete donut foundation 40 feet deep to prevent the heavy stone from sinking into the soft Roman soil. Number 5. Chichén Itzá, known as the acoustic pyramid. This isn't just a pyramid, it's a giant instrument. If you clap your hands at the base of the Kukulkan pyramid, the echo sounds exactly like the chirp of a sacred Quetzal bird. The Maya didn't just build for the eyes, they built for the ears and the stars. There is actually a smaller older pyramid hidden inside the main one you see today. Number 6. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal stands as more than architecture. This is a love story carved in marble. The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It transforms through the day, glowing white in the morning, warm amber at dusk, and silver at night. To keep the heavy dome from collapsing, they built a brick scaffold so massive that legends say it would have taken years to dismantle. So the emperor told the peasants they could keep any brick they hauled away. It took 20,000 workers over 22 years to build, and every inch tells a story of love, loss, and perfection. Today, it's worth over $1 billion to recreate. Number 7. Christ the Redeemer. Towering above Rio de Janeiro with arms wide open, Christ the Redeemer is more than stone and concrete. It's a symbol of faith, peace, and unity. This statue gets struck by lightning roughly 6 times every single year. In 2014, a bolt actually snapped off the statue's thumb. It's covered in 6 million soapstone tiles, many of which have secret messages written on the back by the workers who laid them. Soapstone was used because it's easy to carve but extremely resistant to the harsh Atlantic salt air. These wonders aren't random. They represent who we are, what we dreamt of building, and the stories humanity wrote in stone. They redefine travel goals for every generation. Which wonder blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments, and if you want more legendary travel content like this, hit subscribe. Let's go see the impossible together.